To add text, images, and modules to your site, you will need to become familiar with the different widgets that are available for you to use. You can add widgets to your site's theme and the content of your pages. To add a widget somewhere on your theme, go to the My Website tab and then click Edit Current Theme. You will then be able to edit your theme. In the navigation bar at the top of your screen, you will be able to scroll through the different widgets that are available for you to use. To add one to your site, click and drag it from the Widgets menu down to your theme. You are able to add it to any space that becomes highlighted in blue when you hover over it. The process of adding widgets to the content of your pages is similar to adding widgets to your theme. Click on the My Website tab in the main navigation bar. This will take you to your website builder, where you will see a list of all of the pages on your site. Hover over the page you wish to edit, and then click Edit. You will then be able to edit that page. You should be able to see the Widgets tab in the navigation bar at the top of your screen, and when you click on it, you will be able to scroll through the available widgets. To add a widget, click and drag it from the Widgets menu to a highlighted space in your content. As you scroll through the available widgets, you will see that there are a lot of different widgets that are used for many different purposes. This video will show you how to add and edit the most commonly used widgets. You will learn how to use the other widgets in other tutorial videos. The widget that you will probably use the most is the text widget. This widget allows you to add a body of text to your site. To add this widget, find it in the Widgets menu. Then, click and drag it to a highlighted space on your site. After you add it, a text editor should appear. You can then type your text into the text area and use the tools that are provided to modify your text. If you would like to turn some of your text into a link, highlight it, then click on the Link tool. You will then be able to specify the URL for the page you want this link to go to. After doing this, click OK. If you are familiar with HTML code, you can edit the source code for this text area by clicking Source. Below the text area, you can determine how wide you want this text area to be, and whether you want the area to flow to the left or to the right. You do not necessarily need to change these settings, but by doing this, you will allow other widgets to wrap around your text area. After you finish editing your text area, click Save. If ever you wish to edit this text area again, simply hover over it and then click Edit Widget. If you wish to remove it, click Remove Widget. Another important widget is the Single Image widget. This widget allows you to add a single image to your site. To add this widget, find it in the Widgets menu. Then, click and drag it to a highlighted space on your site. After you add it, a window will appear that will allow you to adjust its settings. From this window, you will be able to select images that you have uploaded to your site or that are available through your site's free image repository. To use an image that is already uploaded to your site, use the drop-down menu to choose an image. To preview the image, just click on it. If you wish to resize your image, you can set its width and height. If you wish to link this image to another page, you can specify the page that you want it to go to in the option for Web Link. You can then adjust the float and padding for the image. By floating your image to the left or right, it will allow other widgets to wrap around this image. If the float option is set to clear both, it will not allow anything to wrap around it. Padding is a pixel amount of space that will surround your image. Once you are ready, click Save to finish adding the widget to your site. If you wish to add a new image to your site, you will first need to add that image to your site's file manager. To do this, click Back to Admin to go to your website builder. Then, click File Manager. You will then see all of the files that have been uploaded to your site. Click Upload to upload a new file to your site. Browse through the files on your computer to find the image you wish to add to your site. After you find it, open it and it will be uploaded to your site, and you should see it listed with the other files in your file manager. Now, when you add a single image widget to your site, you will be able to add the image that you just uploaded to your file manager. After you finish adding and editing widgets on your site, be sure to save your changes by clicking Save in the navigation bar at the top of your site.